Hey, Jonathan Ferry here from Key Digital at InfoComm 2022, Las Vegas, Nevada. I want to talk to you about a new release. It's a kit of transmit receiver HDBaseT extension kit. Everything's in the box and it's called KD-XPS22U. So X for extender, PS like presentation switch, 22U. Well, what does the 22 stand for? So here's the transmit side, and you will notice there are 1, 2 HDMI inputs. So that's one of the 2s in there. It's a 2x1 switcher. And then on the output side, we have an HDMI pass-through for your local confidence monitoring as one of the outputs. And if we flip this transmitter around, here is our other output. Good old HDBaseT, 100 meters distance. It will send the selected HDMI source. It will send USB. It'll send USB 2.0, that is. It'll send LAN. It will send power. It will send IR and RS-232 control. It sends so much, we call it a smart extender kit, KD-XPS22U. Now, what else is smart about this product that's super unique is it supports audio return channel. So for those of you who may not be familiar, ARC allows you to stream content in your display and send it backward to your equipment rack where that professional audio system may be. And what we do that's so smart about this is right over here where we have all of these audio connections. You could do ARC over HDMI, or you could select the external audio connections, analog or digital. So you have 3 options of how you want to come in, and those good old analog and digital audio connections make life a lot easier than sometimes, HDMI ARC, which relies on all this handshaking. But anyhow, it's going to be super easy with Key Digital's smart extender KD-XPS22U. It's a kit including everything you need, and if you want more information, then it's keydigital.com.